this video, I'm gonna show you how to change language on your Finlux 39 FHF 5150. So in order to do that, we'll need to press the home button on our pilot. It's this button right here. After that, press the arrow keys in the middle of your pilot to navigate this menu. And we want to press the arrow key pointing up 2 times and then go to the settings. From here press OK and move to the system right here. And now press OK again and scroll down to the language. Press OK to select it and you'll be able to change the language to whichever one you prefer. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel. Leave a like and a comment below.